Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate GoDaddy website builder with TikTok ads. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website if you have not already. So to open up the GoDaddy website manager, go to godaddy.com, and from here it's going to open up your portfolio and your dashboard. From where you can get started accessing your website and opening up your website in edit mode. So once you open it up in edit mode, this is what it's going to look like. This is going to be the editor mode, where at the right side of the screen you can find this menu that you can use for editing your site. So here, as you can see in the upper right corner, we have the settings tab. By opening up the settings tab, this is going to enable you to go and take a look at this menu where you can manage our site profile, and if you scroll down you can find analytics and tracking. So from here we can get started setting up TikTok ads. As you can see, there is not a direct option that we can use for TikTok ads. What you can do is use meta pixel and Facebook meta tag to set up your Facebook ads, which can then go ahead and be loaded on your TikTok as well. So you can set up meta pixel by setting up your meta pixel ID right here, pasting it and integrating it with your website, and this is going to enable you to track your Facebook campaigns and see how they're doing and what works best. And if you connect your Facebook with TikTok, this can be one of the ways that you can go ahead and connect those two platforms, and this is the easiest way there is. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.